Hi, this is Kerry from Optical Structures. I'm in here in the office on a Sunday designing some telescopes, and I thought I would take a break and show you guys one of the APM products diagonals that we're now bringing in again. This is the dielectric 2-inch diagonal. So let's take a look and see what's in the box here. Well packed. So it's the APM 2-inch. And this is the fast lock, although my friend Marcus Lutz, he says in his excited German accent, he says it's the Quick lock. And what that has is you rotate this barrel and it releases. It's just I don't know, it's an eighth of a turn and it locks the eyepiece in place. Pretty cool stuff. So anyway, it's a good dielectric 2-inch diagonal with the 1.25" reducer and this cool fast lock system. And there's that.